That's stolen away. Here's Aho. Svechnikov scores.
Jarvis is always dangerous with the man advantage. He's got 5 this year.
And Svechnikov's on the break. Svechnikov in on Bobrovsky. Shoots. Scores! Creates a turnover out in front. Chatfield with a backhand. Second chance. They score!
Don't take chances.
Power play for Carolina. And they score! Sebastian Aho. Get this one. Svechnikov. He scores!
Gavrikov up the far boards, not out, taken away. They score!
Dig deep here, Canes. Pressuring Andrei Miller. Shot knocked down, loose in front. Svechnikov score.
Carolina, that ear wall and Walker. Hits Aho. Aho drops it back off. Shot, belly save, then it goes through.
Change the game around. This is a must-kill here for Ottawa.
Svechnikov put it in front of Cleveland, and
Blink of an eye, but now in 4 seconds, Carolina going on a power play. Svechnikov score!
And when you get a perfect pass like that, it's good for him to finish it.
Svechnikov around Schaefer, and he scores!
Kept in here. Now skating down towards the net. Forgot to spare. Hammers it some net. He scores!
1-1 game. Carolina goes to the power play at 5:09. And an early chance and a goal. Normally you feel when there's a turnover. Myers gave it away to Jarvis. Here's Aho in front, and they score. Aho with room. Jarvis, Goss to spare. Jarvis, side of the goal, center, Svechnikov score.
Quickly move back up, a turned over, and look out, here's a break. This is Jankowski, and drops it off, they score. Svechnikov.
Slavin. Defensively, it's chipped across, and they bust it on the backhand, and
step up in the level. Now Carolina out in front, Dolbich robbing Svechnikov, rebound! Misses to the glove side, Canes can keep it in, Aho turns, it'll go off of Jarvis, but listen to the cross, Harry scores!
It's picked off. Here comes Sebastian Aho. Drops it back off, shot, score!
the neutral zone. Re-entry Aho, he has Svechnikov with him. Aho stops, center, score!
From Jarvis, backhand pass from Miller. Chance here, they should score! Svechnikov has been good player movement too on these power plays. Across Ehlers back, they score! Pellica will hand it off.
Anytime. Oh.
Now here comes Svechnikov with a turnover. He scores! As there's 2 seconds left on the 5-on-3. Aho, side of the net. Svechnikov, he scores!